Question number 8. They have given if A and B are -2, -2 and 2, -4 respectively. I have drawn a line joining those two coordinates. Now they are asking us to find the coordinates of this point P. The point P is here. I have marked it with the blue color. So this is your point P. They are asking us to find the coordinates of this point P such that AP is equal to 3/7 of AB. So the total units is 7 units. Out of that, this part, your AP is going to be 3. Total ratio is 7. Out of that, your AP alone is going to take 3 parts. Then what will be the remaining parts? If total is 7 and this is 3, the remaining is going to be 4 parts. So now I have found that BP is going to be 4/7 of the total. So now we have found the ratio that it is 3:4. 3:4. After finding the ratio, finding P is going to be very simple. You have the formula P is equal to your section formula, that is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Now we have all the values. We are just going to substitute and find the answer. When we are substituting, you know that m1 m2 is 3:4. Then this is your x1 comma y1, this is your x2 comma y2. Now your m1 is 3 into your x2, this is your x2, that is 2, plus m2 which is 4 into your x1, that is -2, by m1 is 3, m2 is 4, comma 3 into your y2. You can see that your y2 is -4 plus m2 into y1 is -2 divided by m1 plus m2. Now solving this, we are going to get the coordinates of P of x comma y. So 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into -2 is -8. So it is going to be 6 minus 8 by 7, comma 3 into -4 is -12, 4 into -2 is -8 by 7. Therefore, P of x comma y, this is going to be 6 minus 8 is -2, -2 by 7, comma -12 minus 8 is -20, -20 by 7. So this is the coordinates of the point P which divides the line AP in the ratio 3:4. That is, AP is actually 3/7 of AB.